Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce lags and improve quality on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging into your account, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then tap on App Settings. From the App Settings page, make sure that under Video Playback, maximum data is used, and then tap on the OK button. Now underneath the Downloads option, go ahead and tap on Download Video Quality and then select High. Once these options are selected, your show should be playing back in the highest quality. If you wish to reduce the quality, you can go back to the same account icon, and from the App Settings menu, you can choose the Save Data as well as the standard options. If your settings are not working, then you will need to update the Netflix application. Open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store on your device and then search for the Netflix application. If you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to reduce lags and upgrade your quality on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.